Yes. My name is Knud Erik Hansen from Denmark. I have been very satisfied to be here in the last 14 days. I think it's a very good place to stay here in India, and a good beach, very near, only 2 minutes from here. And we have enjoyed a lot of time at the beach, and very good weather every day. And we have been very satisfied with the staff here on Gabriel's guest house. We have been treated very good all the time, and when we come here we only have ordered a room for 2 days, but we get very quickly to another and better room, and so we were very satisfied with, and so we can only say that we are very satisfied to be here all 14 days.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.